evening everybody, this side Khushi from Lexis and Company. In this video we will discuss about the anticipatory bail. So what is basically anticipatory bail is granted under section 438 which is CRPC when a person has the apprehension of arrest in a criminal cases. जब आपके पास एक apprehension होता है, already आपको anticipate हो जाता है that you are going to arrest in this case, so you go for the anticipatory bail. When like as I have told you, bail is a legal relief that a person may be entitled to in order to get a temporary freedom until final judgment has been passed in that case, depending on the gravity of the allegation. Okay, so anticipatory bail application किस तरीके से फाइल की जाती है? So the anticipatory bail is applied in anticipate of arrest. It is a discretion of to release a person on bail issued before the person is arrested. If the person has a reason or the belief that he might get arrested for the crime for which he has been falsely implicated, then he has a right to apply for this bail. Okay, so basically the anticipatory bail is all about the anticipation of yours, यानी कि जब आपको anticipation होता है that you will definitely arrest in that case, so you go for that. But this is also the term, you can see the jurisdiction. You can only apply for the anticipatory bail in the session court or the high court, not in the district. How to apply for the anticipatory bail? First thing which you need to do, that it is advisable to engage in a criminal lawyer once a criminal complaint on a FIR has been lodged against you. The once engage the suitable course of action including the application of pre-arrest notice of bail, which is notice bail, and anticipatory bail can be decided upon that. Get a lawyer draft or anticipatory bail mentioning your version of that fact, यानी कि आपके बेस पे एक lawyer को आप hire कर सकते हैं, because you have to hire a lawyer for that, and you can tell everything and he will draft your bail, your anticipatory bail draft for that. Apply the appropriate district court or high court. As I have told you that you can only apply this on the session court or the district court. Hearing on the bail application. When the matter comes up for the hearing, the lawyer must appear and present in the case. If the judge sees that case is to be fit for the granting anticipatory bail, the anticipatory bail is provided for the accused. Okay, so what is the procedure for the bail application in the India? So अगर मान लीजिए FIR इसमें नहीं हुई है, देन द पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर विल टॉक टू द पुलिस ऑफिसर कंसर्न, यानी कि जो पब्लिक ऑफिसर प्रोसिक्यूटर होगा वो बात करेगा. देन द सीन्स ऑन नो FIR हैज़ बीन फाइल्ड, द प्रोसिक्यूटर विल बी ऑफ द व्यू दैट देर आर नो ग्राउंड फॉर ग्रांटिंग बेल, यानी कि वो देखेगा वो सब चीज़ें. द जज विल agree on this and your lawyer will be verbally asked for the withdrawal of the anticipatory bail. अगर मान लीजिए उसमें नहीं, अगर FIR नहीं है या फिर कोई ग्राउंड ही नहीं है. ओके, और अगर मान लीजिए इन केस ऑफ FIR हो चुकी है, so investigating officer will send the notice of arrest, and as soon as notice is received, one should apply for the anticipatory bail following the same procedure above जो मैंने आपको बताया. Okay, so basically this is all about the anticipatory bail and about the bail application, how to file it. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.